Hello class 6th, how are you? Once again you are learning now grammar. In my first video I told you what is noun, and today we will discuss what is pronoun. Pronoun. Okay, so let us see that. Let us see one example. It is written there, Ram is a good boy. Can you tell what is noun in it? One is Ram, one is boy. Boy is common noun and Ram is proper noun. Again there is written, Ram is my friend. Again there is written, I like Ram's personality. Again written, I like Ram. तो इट लुक्स वेरी ऑड, बड़ा बेकार लगता है कि यू आर रिपीटिंग द नेम अगेन एंड अगेन. सो आई विल रिप्लेस दिस राम बाय अनदर वर्ड. सो व्हेन वी रिप्लेस एनी नाउन बाय अनदर वर्ड, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रोनाउन. That is why there is a definition, a word used in place of noun is called pronoun. How? Look here. First sentence is okay. Ram is a good boy. Then I will write, he is my friend. I wrote he in place of Ram. So he is what? Pronoun. Then there is I like Ram's personality. So what I wrote? I like his personality. Similarly, I like Ram. So I wrote I like him. You just notice the place of pronoun where it can come. It can come in the place of subject. It can come in the place of, it is called possessive, and it is called object. So pronoun can be written in place of subject, in place of possessive, or in place of object. Okay, pronoun is clear. What is pronoun? A word used in place of noun. Then kinds of pronoun. There are total 7 kinds of pronoun. One is personal pronoun. One is reflexive and emphasizing pronoun. One is demonstrative pronoun. One is indefinite pronoun. Then distributive pronoun. Then interrogative pronoun. And finally relative pronoun. There are total 7 pronouns. First we will discuss personal pronoun. Personal pronoun is a pronoun which is used for person. This he, his, him, they are personal pronoun. Now I am going to discuss in detail what is personal pronoun. So personal pronoun, I told you it is used for persons or animals. I also told you that where we can use pronoun at place of subject, I have written there subject. At place of possessive, I have written there possessive. At place of object, I have written there object. Now there are 3 persons in pronoun. 3 persons are मैं, तुम और हम दोनों को छोड़ के कोई भी. I, you, and other than you and me, anyone. So if I am talking about myself, it is called first person. It is called first person. And for that, what subject I will write? I. और अगर मेरे साथ 2-3 और हैं, तो हम अपने को क्या कहेंगे? हम. That is we. I am single, I. There are some more with me, then we. मेरा, mine. हमारा, ours. Then मुझे, me. अगर मैं यहाँ पर लिखूंगा he likes me, क्या आएगा, मी। और अगर हम बहुत सारे हैं तो ही लाइक्स अस। ख्याल रहे, माई, हिज ये सब प्रोनाउन नहीं होते, दीज आर एडजेक्टिव्स, ये हम बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे। फिलहाल वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रोनाउन। तो इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट फर्स्ट पर्सन, subject is I, for plural we, possessive mine, plural ours, singular me, plural us. Now if I talk about yourself, you, अगर आप एक आदमी हैं तब भी मैं कहूँगा you, और अगर पूरी क्लास है तो भी कहूँगा you sit down, you. If you are alone then also I will say this book is yours. और अगर आप सब हैं तब भी मैं कहूँगा this class is yours. ओके, सिमिलरली ऑब्जेक्ट है, जैसे आई कह सकता हूं आई लाइक यू, अगर सिंपल है, आप सिंगल है आई लाइक यू, और अगर पूरी क्लास भी है इवन देन आई से आई लाइक यू। ओके, सो दैट इज सेकंड पर्सन, फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन, एनीवन। ओके, सो इट कैन बी एनी बॉय, इट कैन बी एनी गर्ल, इट कैन बी एनी नॉन लिविंग थिंग और एनिमल। It can be your father, it can be my mother, it can be your sister. They are not you and me, so they are third person. तो अगर कोई एक लड़का है तो we will write he, एक लड़की है तो we will write she, और अगर कोई जानवर है, नॉन लिविंग थिंग है, तो उसके लिए हम प्रोनाउन क्या लगाएंगे, it. जैसे this is a book, it is very good. तो for book what we are writing, it. It is a very good. अगर एक से ज्यादा हैं, चाहे दो लड़के हैं, चाहे दो लड़कियां हैं, चाहे ये सारे हैं, तो then we will say they. There is one boy, one girl, we will say they are talking. Then he, his, she will be hers, और it का बनेगा its. ख्याल रहे, आप एक मिस्टेक करते हैं, I-T-S, इसका मतलब होता है it is. It means it is. It is the short form of it is, but it is its. Okay. The lion take its food. Lion ने अपना खाना लिया. Its food. Then comes objective. I love. अगर मैं लड़के के लिए कह रहा हूँ तो मैं कहूँगा I love him. लड़की है तो I love her. कोई डॉग है I love it. और अगर इन सारों के लिए कहूंगा तो मैं कहूंगा I love them. ऐसे ही अगर ये सारों के लिए कहता हूं मैं they love या they that book is theirs, उनकी किताब है। आप यहां भी एक मिस्टेक करते हैं, T-H-E-R-E, their का मतलब होता है वहां। Be very careful first. हम कह सकते हैं their bag, T-H-E-I-R, their bag, उनका बैग। लेकिन अगर आप यहां लिखेंगे their bag तो क्या बना, वहां बैग। ये क्या होता है? तो be very careful after there always comes a noun. इसके बाद नाउन जरूर आता है। तो I hope you are this personal pronoun is clear. Then we go to the next pronoun, which is reflexive or emphasizing pronoun. Okay, now reflexive and emphasizing pronoun. These are like this: myself, ourselves, himself, themselves, herself. They are used at place of objective. They did the work themselves. उन्होंने ये काम अपने आप किया. If there is they, then you will write themselves. Okay. But if I write this themselves exactly after subject, then it becomes emphasizing pronoun. If I am writing this one exactly after the subject, then it is emphasizing pronoun, otherwise it is reflexive pronoun. Similarly, he often talks to himself. What is this? Reflexive pronoun. But he himself talks to me, then it is what? Emphasizing pronoun. जोर दे रहा है इस बात पे. Emphatic means जोर देना. Okay, then comes demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun is which indicates something. This, that, those. This, that, these, those. Okay, these is the plural of this and those is the plural of these. Okay, so this is my book, yeah, those are my books. These are called demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. Then comes indefinite pronoun. Indefinite, unlimited, we do not know कितने थे, कितने आदमी थे. When we do not know exact person or number, then we write indefinite. अगर 5 हैं तो आप कह देंगे there were 5 persons. But if there is a crowd, you cannot say anything. You will say many people were there. Okay. Similarly, all were present there. या only few came in the party. कुछ ही लोग पार्टी में आए. हमें नहीं पता कितने, बट कुछ लोग आए. All were present there. सभी present थे. हमें नहीं पता कितने. All were present. And then comes distributive pronoun. There are only 3 pronouns there, each, either or neither. That is called when you have to distribute something in those persons. That is called distribute. जैसे each boy will receive a prize. हर बच्चे को एक प्राइज मिलेगा. या neither of the boy was present. कोई भी बच्चा present नहीं था. तो first was personal, then reflexive emphasizing, then demonstrative, then indefinite, and then distributive pronoun. Now interrogative pronoun, that is question. As you know, we put question in it, and those are who, what, whose, जिसका आंसर आप नाउन में दे सकें. जैसे what is this, तो what is interrogative pronoun. Who are you, who is interrogative pronoun. And whose is this book, whose is this book, तो whose is interrogative pronoun. Then comes relative pronoun. Relative pronoun means वो pronoun जो दो चीजों को या दो सेंटेंस को कनेक्ट करता हो. और वो अगर हम किसी पर्सन के बारे में कह रहे हैं तो we will write who, whose, whom. But if we are talking about non-living thing or animal, then we will write that or which. Such as यहाँ था I have a pen, it is black. Now I have to connect these two sentences. So how I wrote that? I have a pen. Now pen is what? Non-living thing. So either I will write that or I will write which. So I have a pen that is black. It की जगह मैंने that लगा दिया because that is non-living thing. Similarly, he is our teacher. He teaches us English. तो ये सेंटेंस तो मैंने ऐसे लिखा he is our teacher. Now he किसके लगा है? टीचर के लिए. Teacher is what? Living thing. तो I write who. He is our teacher who teaches us English. I have a pen that is black. And then he is Rina, her purse lost. रीना उसका पर्स खो गया. उसका यानी possessive. तो I will also put possessive. He is sorry. She is Rina और हर की जगह मैंने क्या लगा दिया? Whose purse lost. तो I hope you understood now pronoun.